Hello children, in our previous class we have already done exercise 1.1 and 1.2. I hope you have understood. Today we are going to continue exercise 1.3. In this exercise we will study estimation of numbers. Let's continue. What is estimation? To estimate is to find a number that is close to the exact number. Let's understand by an example. Example 1. The number of the vehicles running on a road is 15,000 approximately. That means the number of vehicles that is running on the road is not exactly 15,000 but near about 15,000, either less or more than 15,000. It may be 14,900 or 15,120. Second example. About 3,000 people live in my place. In a similar manner, it does not give an exact value, its near about value. That means estimation doesn't provide exact value, it provides near about number. Now, you must have understood that what is estimation. Estimation is also called rounding off. Rounding off the numbers can be done in two ways. First, rounding up. Second, rounding down. Rounding up. If the digits at ones, tens, hundreds place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then the number is rounded up. For example, 398 is nearer to 400. That means if the digit at ones, tens, hundred place is equals to or more than 5, then the number is rounded up. In rounded up number, near about number is always more than the given number. Second, rounding down. If the digits at ones, tens, hundreds place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then the number is rounded down. For example, 202 is nearer to 200. That means if the digits at ones, tens, hundreds place is less than 5, then the number is rounded down. In rounded down, the near about number is less than the given number. According to previous slide, we can round off the digit at ones, tens, hundreds place. So there are three cases arises. Case first, rounding a number to the nearest 10. Case 2, rounding a number to the nearest 100. Case 3, rounding a number to the nearest 1000. Now let's understand case first, rounding a number to the nearest 10. In this case, we have to follow three steps. Step first, see the ones digit of the given number. Step 2, if one's digit is less than 5, replace one's digit by 0 and keeps the other digit as they are. Step 3, if one's digit is 5 or more than 5, increase 10's digit by 1 and replace one's digit by 0. Now let's understand with the help of example. In example 1, we have to round off a number that is 53. In 53, according to Indian number system, one's digit is 3 and 10's digit is 5. That means one's digit which is 3 is less than 5. So we have to follow step 2. According to step 2, replace one's digit that is 3 by 0 and keeps the other digit that is 5 as they are. So the required rounded number is 50. Now second example, we have to round a number that is 58. In 58, according to Indian number system, one's digit is 8 and 10's digit is 5. That means 8 is greater than 5. So we have to follow third step. According to step third, increase 10's digit by 1. That means 5 increased by 1, that is equals to 6, and replace one's digit by 0. 8 is replaced by 0. So the required number is 60. Now let's understand case 2, rounding a number to the nearest 100. In this case, we have to follow these three steps. Step first, see the tens digit of the given number. Step 2, if tens digit is less than 5, replace each one of tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Step 3, if this digit is 5 or more, increase 100 digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Now let's understand with the help of example. Example 1. In example 1, we have to round a number that is 648. In 648, according to Indian number system, one's digit is 8, tens digit is 4 and 100 digit is 6. We have to compare tens digit that is 4 which is less than 5. So we have to follow step 2. According to step 2, replace ones and tens digit by 0. That means 4 and 8 replaced by 0 and keep other digit as it is. That means 6 as it is. So the required number is 600. Now let's understand example 2. In example 2, we have to round a number that is 688. Now we have to compare these digits according to Indian number system. Ones digit is 8, tens digit is 8 and hundred digit is 6. Now we have compare tens digit which is 8 and it is greater than 5. So we have to follow step 3. According to step 3, if tens digit is greater than 5, we have to increase hundred digit by 1. That means 6 increased by 1 and we get 7 and replace each digit on its right. That means 8 and 8 by 0. So the required number is 700. Now let's understand case 3, rounding a number to the nearest thousand. In this case, we have to follow these 3 steps. Step first, see the hundredths digit of the given number. Step 2, if hundredths digit is less than 5, replace each one of hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0 and keeps the other digit as they are. Step 3, if hundredths digit is 5 or more, increase thousand digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Now let's understand with the help of example. Example 1. We have to round a number that is 5486. In 5486, according to Indian number system, ones digit is 6, tens digit is 8, hundred digit is 4 and thousand digit is 5. Now let's see hundred digit which is 4 and it is less than 5. So we have to follow step 2. According to step 2, replace hundred, tens and ones digit by 0. That means 4, 8 and 6 replaced by 0 and 1000 digit is as it is. That means 5 is as it is. So the required number is 5000. Now let's understand second example. In second example, we have to rounding a number 5642. Firstly, we compare the hundred digit that is 6 and it is greater than 5. So we have to follow step 3rd. According to step 3rd, if hundred digit is 5 or more, then we have to increase thousand digit by 1. Then 5 increased by 1, we get 6 and replace each digit on its right by 0. That means 6, 4 and 2 replaced by 0. So the required rounded number is 6000. These questions are for your practice. Solution of first 5 are given and rest of the questions you have to do. Now let's continue exercise 1.3 question number 1. Estimate each of the following using general rule. First part, 730 plus 998. Now first question arises with this position we have to round off the number. Now let's understand with this question. We have given 730 plus 998. 730 is round off to 700. 998 is round off to 1000. Hence 730 plus 998 is equals to 700 plus 1000 which is equals to 1700. Second part, 796 minus 314. We have to round off the number according to previous question because in this question we also have greater position is 100. 796 is round off to 800 and 314 is round off to 300. Hence 796 minus 314 equals to 800 minus 300 and that is equals to 500. C part, 12,904 plus 2,888. In this question, we have greatest position is 1000. So we round off the number to 1000. 12,904 is round off to 13,000 and 2,888 is rounds off to 3,000. Hence, 12,904 plus 2,888 equals to 13,000 plus 3,000 equals to 16,000. Next D part. 28,292 minus 21,496. In this question, we have greatest position is 10,000. So, we round off to 1000. 28,292 is round off to 28,000. 21,496 is round off to 21,000. Hence, 28,292 minus 21,496 equals to 28,000 minus 21,000 equals to 7,000. These are some examples which is based on estimation of sum or difference, which I have explained you in previous question. Question 2. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100 and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. First part, 439 plus 334 plus 4317. In this question, we have to round off the number to nearest 100 and tens both. Firstly, we will round off to number to nearest 100. 439 is equals to 400, 334 is equals to 300, 4317 equals to 4300. After addition, we will get the answer 5000. Now, we round off the number to nearest 10. 439 equals to 440, 334 equals to 330, 4317 equals to 4320, which is equals to 5090. Now, B part. 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Firstly, we round off the number to nearest 100. 1,08,734 equals to 1,08,700. 47,599 is equals to 47,600. After subtraction, we will get the answer 61,100. Now, round off the number to nearest 10. 1,08,734 is equals to 1,08,730. 47,599 is equals to 47,600. After subtraction, we will get the answer 61,130. C part, 8,325 minus 491. Firstly, we will round up the number to nearest 100. 8,325 is equals to 8,300. 491 is equals to 500. After subtraction, we will get the answer 7,800. Now, we round off the number to nearest 10. 8,325 is equals to 8,330. 491 is equals to 490. After subtraction, we will get the answer 7,840. Now, D part. 4,89,348 minus 48,365. Firstly, we round off the number to nearest 100. 4,89,348 is equals to 4,89,300. 48,365 is equals to 48,400. After subtraction, we will get the answer 4,40,900. Now, round off the number to nearest 10. 4,89,348 is equals to 4,89,350 and 48,365 is equals to 48,370. After subtraction, we will get the answer 4,40,980. In this slide, I have given you 4 examples. First 2 examples I have already explained. Next 2 examples I am giving you as a homework. You have to solve it. Question 3. Estimate the following products using general rule. It is quite similar to previous one, but for finding the product, we have to apply multiplication operation instead of addition and subtraction. First part, 578 multiplied by 161. In this question, we will round up the number to nearest 100. 578 round off to 600. 161 round off to 200. The estimated product is equals to 600 multiplied by 200 is equals to 1,20,000. Now, B part. 5,281 multiplied by 3,491. In this question, first number we will round off nearest to 1000 and second number we will round off nearest to 100. 5,281 round off to 5,000. 3,491 round off to 3,500. The estimated product is equals to 5,000 multiplied by 3,500 and which is equals to 1 crore 75 lakh. C part 1291 multiplied by 592. In this question, we will round off the number nearest to 100. 1291 round off to 1300, 592 round off to 600. The estimated product is equals to 1300 multiplied by 600 is equals to 7,80,000. Next, D part 9250 multiplied by 29. In this question, first number we will round off nearest to 1000 and second number we will round off nearest to tens. So, we will get 9250 round off to 10,000, 29 round off to 30. Therefore, the estimated product is equals to 10,000 multiplied by 30, which is equals to 3 lakh. Estimate the quotient. Let's understand this with the help of this question. Estimate the quotient when 22,15,026 is divided by 1,782 by rounding off the number to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. First part, rounding off to the nearest 10. 22,15,026 round off to 22,15,030 and 1,782 round off to 1,780. After division, we will get 1,224 as quotient and 710 as remainder. Therefore, the estimated quotient is 1,224 and the remainder is 710. Remaining two you have to do as a practice questions. Now, I have explained you estimation with all four operations. I hope you all have understood.